Included in the box for your Noova Neck Massager, you'll find the neck massager, a remote control for easy operation, a spray bottle, charging cord and electrode cords, 2 electrode pads for full body massage, and an extra battery for the remote. On your neck massager, press and hold the on-off button to turn on. You'll hear a long beeping noise that will indicate that it is on, and 2 short beeps to indicate the device is off. On either side of the massager, you'll see a plug for the electrode pads and a charging port. The massager charges in about 3 to 4 hours. The red light will stay on while charging. On the back of the massager, there are 4 massage pads for maximum coverage of the neck and shoulders. Before using the massager, apply water, aloe vera gel, or conductive gel to the massage pads and neck. This will help to avoid any pinching sensations. When placing the massager on your neck, make sure the pads are fully touching your skin and there is no gap. This will help to prevent any uncomfortable tingling or pinching. There are 4 massage modes: automatic, pulse, which relieves muscle soreness and fatigue, kneading, a massage technique in which pressure is applied, and beading, to relieve muscle pain and promote blood circulation. You can increase or decrease the intensity of the electric pulse with the EMS buttons. You can add and adjust the heat function with a range of 86 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The massager will automatically shut off after 15 minutes. To use the provided electrode pads, connect the wires to the neck massager and the electrode pad. Apply pad directly to skin. The pulse of the neck massager will be weak when using the electrode pads. You can rinse under water if the pads become dirty. Recommended schedule when starting neck massager. It can take a few days to become used to the neck massager and all its functions, so we recommend gradually acclimating over a 4-day period. On day 1, use the neck massager 2 times for 10 minutes each in auto mode with heat function up to 3 to 4 speed level. On day 2, repeat day 1 use, increasing speed and heat level as you feel comfortable. On day 3, use 3 times for 10 minutes per session, once in auto mode and 2 times in any mode you feel comfortable with. On day 4, use for 10 minutes 3 times a day in any mode you feel comfortable with. From there, we recommend using 2 to 3 times a day for 10 minutes each session. Give yourself immediate relief from neck pressure with the Noova Neck Massager.